Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to part 2 of chapter 2 decimal numbers. At the end of this video, students will be able to write and read a decimal number in expanded form, compare two decimal numbers. The materials that we should prepare are a pen, a draft paper, Math Practice Book Edition 2019, your Enjoy Mathematics Textbook Edition 2013. Writing a decimal number in expanded form. We are going first to solve the following activity. Complete by following the example. 3/10 equals 3 over 10 equal to 0.3. First, notice that 3/10 is written as a fraction, which is 3 over 10. 3/10 means that we have 3 parts out of 10 parts. Then we could say that it could be written as a fraction that represents 3 over 10. We have 3 written above in the numerator and 10 written below in the denominator. Now, to write it as a decimal number, we should notice that we have 3/10, so we do not have any whole number part. Then we write it 0.3 because the first digit after the decimal point is 3. Then it is 0.3, we have 3/10. Now please pause the video and try to solve the activity. 500th now is written as 5 over 100. It is 0.05. 8,000th now is 8 over 1,000, which is 0.008. 9/10,000th is 9 over 10,000, which is equal to 0.0009. Notice that in each of these numbers, we left after the decimal point digits as much as we have zeros in the denominator. Writing a decimal number in expanded form. Example 1. Write 342.26 in expanded form. We remember from chapter 1 that whenever we want to write an expanded form, we write the place value of each digit. We will begin by the digits of the whole number part. 3 now is 300 plus 40 plus 2. We move to the decimal part. 2 is the 10th. It is 0.2, then plus 0.2 plus 0.06 because 6 is in the 100th digit. Now 300 is written as 3 multiplied by 100 plus 4 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 over 10 plus 6 over 100. Then the expanded form of 342.26 is 3 multiplied by 100 plus 4 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 over 10 plus 6 over 100. Example 2. Write 0.907 in expanded form. 0.907 is equal to 0.9 plus 0.007, which is equal to 9 over 10 plus 7 over 1000. We have 0 in the whole number part. We didn't put it in the expanded form. Application. Write each number in expanded form. 6.943, 700.02. Please pause the video and solve the application. The expanded form now of 6.943 is 6 plus 9 over 10 plus 4 over 100 plus 3 over 1000. The expanded form of 700.02 is 7 multiplied by 100 plus 2 over 100. Your assignment will be to review page 19 expanded form on the textbook and to solve this extra exercise as a homework. Comparing two decimals. We are going to remember how we used to compare natural numbers. We used to compare natural numbers by first counting the digits of each number. If one of them had more digits than the other, then we say directly that it is greater than the second number. If they have the same number of digits, we used to compare each digit. We will begin first by the two numbers 98,763 and 98,769. Count the digits of each number. We have the same number of digits. Then we are going to begin by comparing the digits starting from the highest one. If we compare the digits, here we have 9, also here we have 9, then we move to compare 8 with 8, they are the same. We move to compare 7 with 7, they are also the same. Now compare 6 with 6, they are the same. Compare 3 with 9, 3 is less than 9, then we could say that 98,763 is less than 98,769. Let's compare now 690,000 and 99,999. If we count the digits of this number, we will find out that we have 6 digits. If we count the digits of this number, we have 5 digits. Then we could directly say that 690,000 is greater than 99,999. Let's now count the digits of these two numbers. They have the same number of digits. Then let's compare their digits. We notice that they have the same digits. Then 123,457 is equal to 123,457. Comparing two decimals. Positive decimals are compared the same way as natural numbers are compared. Example 1. Compare 23.42 and 23.45. We already know how to compare whole number parts. Now we are going to arrange decimal numbers above each other by arranging first the decimal point, then the digits of the whole number part, then the digits of the decimal part. Now begin your comparison by comparing the highest digit in the whole number part, which is 2. 2 is the same as 2. Move now to compare 3. 3 is also the same as 3. Now move to the decimal part, compare the first digit, 4 is the same as 4. Now move to the hundredth digit, 2 and 5 are different. Compare 2 and 5. 2 is less than 5, then 23.42 is less than 23.45. Example 2. Compare 109.5 and 109.13. Arrange the decimal numbers above each other as we did in example 1, and now begin by comparing the highest digit in the whole number part. 1 is the same as 1. Move to compare 0. 0 and 0 are also the same. 9 and 9 are also the same. Now move to the decimal part. 1 and 5 are different. Once you find different digits, directly stop your comparison. Compare these digits. 5 is greater than 1, then 109.5 is greater than 109.13. Example 3. Compare 23.4 and 23.40. We are going to arrange the numbers above each other, and we will begin by the whole number part with its highest digit. 2 is the same as 2. Now move to compare 3. 3 and 3 are the same. We will move to the decimal part, compare the 10th digit, 4 is the same as 4. Above 0 we have an empty digit, we are going to fill it with a 0. This 0 is called a useless 0. If we place or eliminate one or more zeros after the last digit at the right of a decimal part, the number does not change. This means that this 0 changes nothing. Now compare 0 with 0. They are the same. Then we could say that 23.40 is equal to 23.4. Application. Compare the following numbers. Please now pause the video and try to solve the application. Here is our solution. Your assignment will be to review page 20 comparing two decimals on the textbook, to solve as a homework exercises 17, 18, and 23, page 29 from the textbook, exercise 9, page 12 from math practice book. As a summary, in this chapter we took how to read a decimal number, how to write it in standard form 10.506, in word form 10 and 506 thousandths, in expanded form 10 plus 0.5 plus 0.006. We also learned how to compare them. 259.03 is less than 259.3. Thank you for following.